think she is? I think she sounds fun. I'm excited for my steak. Yeah, I'm juicy girl.
Can we try the pork bun?
You want that today?
And then I'll get the special.
So there's only 8 things in the XFL.
I'll go tomorrow with, I'll get like egg and corn.
DC, New York, Tampa Bay, St. Louis. Seattle, Los Angeles, Dallas, and Houston.
We did order like money waiting for our food. I got a spicy ramen with a soft-boiled egg. Nice. Which city is the dragon? It says no State Canada on there.
Yeah, they renovated.
Seattle Dragons. Oh, they did.
It's much nicer.
Is anyone watching it? Do they have weird rules again?
What do you mean again?
They have like really weird rules last time.
Hello, Bonnie.
Weren't there weird like kickoff rules? Like they fight for the ball or something?
Pipe. Hopefully you can enjoy it.
Vic wanted the pork dumpling.
Pork bun. They ordered it.